Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in my previous video, I did mention that the market has felt a resistance near its crucial 144 days exponential moving average, and in the past, whenever the market has seen a resistance near this particular level, the market has gone down. Further, if you see the trend of the market, the lower highs and lower lows is also suggesting that the market is trading on a high side of its channel, and the logical target should be that market should go down. Not only that, we have many other reasons like other technical indicators like CCI, MACD, RSI, and longer term MACD who are suggesting that the market are trading near is resistance level, like the exponential average. The purple line that you have been seeing has been acting as a resistance, and from that point in time, whenever the technical indicator was to touch on this particular line, as you can see here, here, and here, the market was to take a downturn only. But that that analysis did not hold true today, and the market was not only opened gap up, but it was also able to close above its 144 days exponential moving average, and also onto which one is this, the 34 days exponential moving average. And now what I feel is the market is eyeing the next resistance, which is 10,360, and if the market closes above this particular level, I am having an expectation that a fresh leg of rally can start from here. And if the market faces resistance at this particular level, again it can also go down. So in spite of having the expectation that the market can face a resistance at this particular level and can also go down, sticking to the discipline of booking profit and losses, I have also booked my profit today uh, because it has hit onto my exponential average, which is the stop loss target for our analysis. So let me just share my analysis with you. So as you guys can see, the this is my position, 15,386 rupees of loss. This is the biggest loss that I have incurred since I have started trading in futures. So you can see I have booked losses because the stop loss has been triggered. And I also recommend my all other subscribers that whenever you are having a particular setup in mind, a particular range in mind, you should definitely try and book your losses with the great and the same enthusiasm with which you book your profit, because the market is something that you will never be able to predict with a reasonable level of accuracy. So a profit and loss can happen, and you should be able to take it with that with the same level of confidence as well. So uh, now what I feel, as I have said, market can feel a resistance on the high side, and if it breaks above this particular range, it can also seen on an upside. However, as far as the technical indicators are concerned, they all have now broken out of their exponential averages, and most likely the market will touch 10,361 and should trade above from the expectation of the market participants that we have seen today. However, the option chart data is not available with us, so we will not be able to comment on that particular strike prices which has seen the maximum change in open interest. But what I have feel is that since the market has closed above its crucial range, and technical indicators has also broken out from this exponential range, I think the upside should be there, and a crucial up move cannot be ignored. So that's it for the Nifty's analysis. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So this is the Bank Nifty, 630 points of up move. This is a huge up move, especially on the news of RBI keeping the reported as it is level. No change is suggested. Here you can also see that the Bank Nifty has also broken out of its 55 days. Okay, let me just check. It is 34 days exponential moving average, and now it is eyeing a level of 24,951, which is essentially a 25,000 level only. So final target you can see, which is 89 days exponential moving average. So Bank Nifty is also looks bullish. All other technical indicators like Nifty is also suggesting a break out of its exponential moving average. So I think there can be a good up move. But since the resistance level are also there, and it can also stall the market's up move, that's the only reason we have not gone long in the particular day's trade. So that's it for the today's video, guys. I hope you have liked my video and must have learned from the losses that I have incurred today. Make sure you also try and trade with the same amount of discipline that you take when you book a profit. So as always, if you have any comment, question or query, you can mention it in the comment section of the video. If you have liked my content, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family, and keep trading. Don't get disappointed with the losses that you get. Make sure that whenever you are taking a trade, it should be followed by logic. That logic can sustain or cannot sustain, but most of the time what happens is you should be trading with the certain sort of analogy in mind, certain sort of target in mind, and just don't trade blindly. Have some sort of phase, some sort of system working for you, and if you do trade accordingly, I am very sure that you will not be all in all, you will not be in losses. However, the market is there, it is very random and anything cannot be guaranteed. If you want to learn our system, make sure you check out the video description to find out how we use the technical indicators, moving average and option chart data, so that you can also get the feeling of the market. That's it for today's video, guys. I see you in the next video. Thank you.